This is the Thule T2 Hitch bike rack. It is available on Amazon. Today we're going to be setting it up and checking out all of its features and attaching it to the Tucson. Let's get started.
Thule was founded in 1942 in southern Sweden. Thule launched the first roof racks 20 years later in 1962. For more than 75 years, Thule has been creating solutions to simplify life's adventures. They are committed to developing smart, stylish products that are environmentally sound, high quality, safe, and easy to use. Also, you can bring the things you care about the most. Whatever your passion, whatever your pursuit, wherever you're going, whatever you're bringing, with Thule, you're free to live your active life to the full. In 1942, in the deepest forest of Sweden, Thule was founded by a true lover of the outdoors. Since then, their focus has been designing and developing quality products that help you carry your gear wherever your passion takes you. Set on developing products with 4 strong values: quality, safety, design, and ease of use. At the Thule Test Center in Sweden, products go through extreme testing. That means exposure to desert heat and Arctic cold, water resistance, drop tests, and wind tunnels, shock and crash test. The Thule test program includes over 25 Thule test standards that far exceed the current ISO standard. As part of their product testing, products are used by Thule crew who are capable of testing them to the extreme in real life every single day. They develop contemporary products for demanding users. Their goal is to test, design, and manufacture products that are built to last. And while they are very proud of their design awards, the most important award is making quality products that you can use day after day. At Thule, they want to contribute to a more sustainable world through initiative, high quality products, manufactured responsibility that inspire people to live an active life outdoors. That's sustainability. They test their products to the limit and beyond, so you don't even have to think about it. A Hitch bike rack is great for transporting heavy bikes or e-bikes. Robust and lightweight, bike racks take seconds to install on your Hitch. Thule T2 Pro XTR bike hitch rack fits 20 to 29 inch wheels with up to 5 inches wide tires without adapters, making it ideal for carbon frames, road, mountain, fat tire, and e-bikes. It has a versatile design and fits nearly all styles of bikes up to 60 pounds with 0 frame contact. Auto attach system allows for simple, tool-free installation and removal. Carrier easily folds up when you're not in use and tilts away from vehicle via the hitch switch lever, allowing rear access. Bike mounts are generously spaced and enable you to make side-by-side adjustments to eliminate bike frame interference. Total load capacity for 1 1/4 inch version is 100 pounds. and the load capacity for a 2-inch hitch is 120 pounds. My car has a 2-inch hitch receiver, so I'm going to insert the 1¼ inch adapter and then install the hitch bolt. Make sure you are aware of your hitch's bumper clearance to ensure there's enough space for the bike rack. The maximum wheelbase is 50 inches. It can carry up to 4 bikes with Thule T2 Pro XT add-on not included, with a 2-inch receiver only. This product is made in the USA. The Thule T2 hitch bike rack weighs 52 pounds, so it is by no means the lightest hitch rack on the market. But it makes up for that immediately with the simplicity of mounting the bike without removing the wheel and simply raising the bike onto it and lowering the control arm over the wheel. The tire kit has a single front tire hold, and then the rear kit has the ratcheting lock for the rear tire. And that's all it takes, and this whole process is done in less than a minute. And now it's time for a test drive. Removing the bike is even simpler because there's no weight to lift off the ground. And it's instantly ready to go. Everything in this world has its place. And lastly, we're going to talk about the Bow RV hitch wall mount for bike rack. Adjustable for 1¼ inch or 2-inch trailer hitch receiver, ski package storage for garage, upgrade bicycle cargo rack organizer. It is available on Amazon for $50 right now, and this is what we're going to use to store our bike rack when we're not using it. The Bow hitch wall mount only takes 5 minutes to complete the assembly, with 4 screws and washers included. Bow RV hitch wall mount structure is simple and user-friendly. It can be adjusted according to the size of the receiver. Just unscrew a screw that fixes the gold adapter and take out the gold adapter to resize the 1¼ and 2-inch interchangeability. Wall-mounted storage is used to store bicycle racks, tail-mounted cargo racks, cargo carrier racks, trailer hitch ball mount, etc., saving garage space and protecting the bottom of your rack. The wall mount is made of high-quality Q235 steel and 6063 aluminum alloy materials, which are durable and resistant to deformation and corrosion. It can be installed on wood and solid wall. The hitch rack accessories will be stored neatly and securely on the wall, keeping your garage tidy. Even your bike can be hung on a bike rack. You'll never trip over accessories scattered on the floor again. You can store bike racks, bike carriers, hitch ski racks, car hitch racks, hitch cargo carriers off the floor in Bow RV hitch wall mounted in order to protect the bottom of the rack not to be worn. The package includes one T4 Allen wrench, 4 hexagon self-tapping screws, 4 washers, and 1 installation instructions. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it and that we will see you next time.